Hi everyone, Jason Lukey here, Global Solution Specialist with Houghton Mifflin Harcourt. I'm really excited today because I just got my new sample box from HMH for our Into Reading program. And I wanted to do a little unboxing video here to show you what's contained inside the box and show you some of the features of our newest reading program. So let's get started. I'm just going to go ahead and open my box here. Okay, so I'm going to take everything out, start with the student myBook. I'll tell you about that in just a minute. Of course, we've got the Teaching Pal, which looks very similar to the student myBook. Next up, the Teacher's Guide. So we'll talk about that. Lots of great resources inside the Teacher's Guide. And then the final component here, the Writing Workshop Teacher's Guide. So we'll talk about that too. Okay, let me get this thing out of the way. And I think what we'll do is we'll start here with the student myBook.